Hi there, welcome back. Once more, we are looking at GME. GME so far today is up by 4.7% roughly, which is amazing. We do like to see this one being in the green. But today I'm going to give you a little bit of a recap of things which we should be looking at for GME going into the next week. Now, if you guys do also invest in AMC, this is something which I kind of spoke about earlier in our AMC video, because I do think that a lot of the same logic does apply for GameStop as well, but we're going over all of that in this video. As you guys will already know, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research and stick to your own plans if you are investing in GME. But all of my thoughts and opinions are going to be coming up in this short video, so yeah, make sure to leave a like on it. So first things first, we're going to go over here to these more complex Yahoo Finance charts. Let's remove these drawings which were on here if we can. So we'll just press clear drawings, as you can see, and what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to draw some new lines. Now this is a very similar pattern which we have been seeing for both GME and AMC. We're seeing a trend which has actually been broken in the past few days, more so with AMC, but the same can still be said for GME. Let's draw this triangle that we are seeing. So down here you can see we are basically forming a bit of a triangle. I mean, yes, you could draw it a bit lower like that or a bit higher like that, depending on how you're going to do it. Obviously I haven't used a ruler, but the same things are still prevalent in all of the patterns if you do have a quick look. We are seeing the lows become increasingly high and the highs becoming increasingly low. And if we do highlight that, you can obviously see things are becoming closer and closer, which definitely could indicate to something really exploding with this share price. Now again, we have seen a lot of this morning. We've seen a lot more of this when looking at AMC more recently as well, which for me at least does kind of indicate that this one does also have potential to do the same thing. The Bollinger Bands over here do show a similar image as they are becoming increasingly tight, and we have seen similar tightness at levels, or not very similar but somewhat similar tightness at levels before we had explosive growth in the past. Now over here was much more constraint, and that is to be expected, but right now we are becoming a lot more constraint once more. And again, what we saw on Friday and Thursday last week with AMC is actually we broke through that and we have exploded in price. Now GameStop today is up by about $5, roughly $5.50, and that is now apparently 3.4%. But obviously we are seeing a lot of volatility, but the share price does continue to go up. So here is what I'm trying to say when looking at GameStop this week. When looking at GameStop, this is a very volatile stock, as we did already know. There's going to be a lot of volatility around the share price, as is bound to be. A lot of people are entering into this stock, and many people say that a lot of people are not selling. One thing that we do know is that a lot of people are shorting GameStop, and obviously this is potentially going to force the price down a little bit more. What I'm trying to say in this video is that if the price does continue to fall, I would not be too concerned by this one if you are aware of the risks. Now, a lot of people are going to spread a lot of things. Some people saying that GameStop's going to crash. Some people saying it's going to rocket. Look, I'm not here to tell you what it's going to do. Nobody really knows how high it could go. Nobody knows if it's going to continue to drop. One thing that I can tell you though is that if I was you, I would definitely stick to a plan if I was getting into this one. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, and you will be happy with this stock. Fundamentally, nothing has really changed with this stock in the past week or so, and even for the past few weeks, roughly speaking, you know. So what I'm trying to say in this video is if you are going to get into this stock, make sure to do your own research, do your own due diligence, and stick to that. Don't necessarily listen to what people are saying on forums, as it may not be the most accurate source of information. Now don't get me wrong, if things do fundamentally change with the company, yes, it could be a time to reassess, but as the company does stand right now, I think things are in a pretty decent manner. And again, with this positive growth that we are seeing now, only by about 3.2% so far, but we are seeing positive growth, and for me at least, this is good. Let's hope that we can break past this today. Let's hope we can see more growth into next week, and hopefully we can make it past the $165 range into the 170s, hopefully by the end of the week. Who knows, but all I can say is make a plan and stick to it, and you shall be fine. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.